Hello, everyone. I'd like to share about the music theory. To become a good piano player, you need to know two things. One of them is music theory and to play piano very well. There are so many music theory books in this world. I choose this Alfred's music theory. This is most best one, which you can get a good music theory skill. So now you look at last musical symbol right here. You need to know familiar with lots of symbol like this. After finish this online music class, you understand what they are saying about. So I'm going to start first lesson 1. Okay, before I start music theory, this book has 3 books. This is book 1. Today we will learn about lesson 1, the step, notes, and pitches. Every day you can hear lots of kinds of music from radio and YouTube and television. You know what? So many music is written on a step of 5 lines and the 4 spaces like this. It's very easy to understand. Don't be afraid. Musical step has a 5 line, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Also, music step has a space. Okay? How many spaces are these? Space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4. The lines of the step are numbered from bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Music notes are oval-shaped symbols that are placed on the lines and in the spaces. Listen carefully. They represent, they produce musical sounds called pitches. If the note appear higher on the step, like this, they sound higher in pitch. But the musical notes appear lower on the step, they sound lower in pitch. So you remember when I was teaching you last spring semester, maybe you will remember Exercise 1. You need to draw a step by connecting the dots. Okay? Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Also, all of you have done on the mark on X in the following location. Line 3, line 1, line 2, line 3, mark X. Space 2 is right here. Line 1 is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to count. Line 5, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. You need mark X line here. Space 1, line 4, space 3, line 2. Exercise 3 is write notes like this, circle like this. 1, 2, 3 for space 4, line 1, space 2, line 3, space 1, line 5, space 3, line 2, line 4. Look here. There are 2 notes in here. You need to know, indicate whether the second note is higher or lower. If the second note is located at the higher sound comes out. Second note located lower sound comes out. Higher, lower, higher. This is lesson 1. So you need to understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you need to know 5 lines and 4 spaces and pitch sound comes out. Lesson 2. I donate to your church. If you look at the piano keyboard, there are so many piano keyboards. So you don't know how to play very well. If you learn about this music theory and piano workable, you can play piano very well. If you look at the piano keyboard, first time you don't know how to play. But why? Which one is standard? You need to understand middle. Middle standard is C. So also you need to understand music note name. Music notes are named after the first 7 letters of the alphabet from A to G. By their position on the step, they can represent the entire range of a musical sound. So, which part is high sound comes out? Which piano keyboard high sound comes out? Which part low piano sound comes out? There's the key is clap. Clap signs help you organize the step so note can easily be read. The treble clap, treble clap is used for notes in the higher pitch ranges. The treble clap or G clap has evolved from a stylized letter G. Look at this. it looks like a alphabet G. G. So that's why into the present, G clap, treble clap, go like this. Okay, now here. If you look at treble clap right here, and then you already learned about the line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Everyone has a name. Your lots of friends, your brother and sister has a different name. You need to know music note name. How to remember? You can remember. When I was teaching last semester, I taught you need memory one sentence. Every good boy does fine. Each word, first letter, alphabet is there. Musical line name, every E. Good G. Boy B. Does D. Fine F. E G B D F. This is each line's name. What a space name? Space note name. Space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4. You need to remember each space note name. How to remember? Right here, face. Everyone has a face. F A C E is here. Face is there. Space, each space name. So how to play? Look here. Treble clap, the high pitch range is right here. Middle standard C is right here. Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Every good boy does fine. How to remember? Space name, face. Space 1, F, A, C, E. How to play piano keyboard? It's like this. Piano keyboard right here. Line connect piano key E. Every good boy does fine. Space name now here. F A C E. Anyway, musical note name is very easy to remember. Why? So look at it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If we go to one octave higher, same, repeat. Same, repeat. Same, repeat. If you go right directions, high pitch, high C, one octave higher C comes out. If you go left direction, lower sound comes out. Why? To make a beautiful music. Exercises. You need to draw. How to draw treble clap? It's like this. You remember? like this. Okay, one motion is like this, motion 2 is like this. Okay, right. Exercise 2 is write the letter names of the following notes. Use capital letter. Each music note located space, line, space, line, line, space, line, space 2, line 4, space 3. How to remember? Every good boy does fine. Space name, face F, A, C, E. Every E, good boy does fine. Okay. Next, you need to remember. Now, you can understand high pitch range. This time, you need to understand bass clef, low pitch range. Okay. If you look at this symbol, oh, low sound mark. Okay. The bass step. How to draw bass clef like this? The bass clef, pronounced bass, is used for notes in the lower pitch range. The bass or F clef same. Why? This is similar to alphabetical letter F. That's why we call this symbol bass clef or F clef. Okay. You need to remember the two dots of the bass clef surround the line on which the note F is placed. This F is below middle C. Middle standard C is right here. C, B, A, G, F. Okay. Bass clef also has a line 5, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Also, bass clef pitch range has space. 4 spaces, space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4. How to remember each music note name? This good example, good boys do fine always. Good boy do fine always. First letter is the music note name. G, B, D, F, A. How to remember space note name? Can you read right here? All cows eat grass. First letter is space 1 name, space 2 name C, space 3 name E, space name G. Okay. Your church has a piano keyboard. Middle C is right here. So line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5 name. Good boys do fine always. All cows eat grass. This is music. How to play? G, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. You know what? When you were young boy, you have learned about mathematics. Music similar to mathematics. One step by one step. Go up higher, high pitch sound comes out. G, A, B, C, E, D. Also, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. From here to here, one octave. So we can express one octave lower, range right here, one octave higher range, you can express right here. So exercise 2:1, you need to draw bass clef. Motion 1 is like this. Motion 2, dot also curved line. And then motion 3 and 4 to dot in here. So bass clef, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. How to remember? Good boy, good boy, do, fine, erase. Okay? Space, or space one, or, see, cows, eat grass. Okay. So you need to know how to locate each musical name on the step. Okay. You know what? Treble clef, also bass clef. Each music note. Why you need to know? Play piano keyboard very well. Each piano keyboard, why piano keyboard? Why I donate to your church keyboard to create the sound, okay? To how to create. Middle C is right here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Right here. Okay? Okay? Tomorrow, next time, we will learn about treble clef plus bass clef equal what? The grand step. We will learn about the grand step next time. Thank you for watching my online music class. Bye, everyone.